Now.
This is our boat we made. John, it's your brother. We're gonna put it in and I'm gonna go in. Hopefully I'm not gonna die.
All right, let's launch this boat.
Let's go. Okay,
All right, this is the launching, hopefully not breaking, of the boat.
Yeah, push me off now.
Watch out for the poles.
We gotta go higher. Where is this going? Right here? Put down. Okay. Oh, it's on my foot. Alright, now let's just move it on the side over here. Okay. You want to go in and we push you off? No.
Yes.
This will just rip.
Or just get it to the side of the dock and then Carter goes in.
Okay.
Is there an oar in there?
Yeah, he's got two.
All right.
Just in case. Here, John, can you just lift that and kind of...
Is somebody gonna go in with Carter?
This way? Oh, yeah. Here we go. The water's not going in. Oh, dude, that's going to rip it. Woo!
So far, so good.
It floats!
Now, what happens when Carter gets in it?
So then you can go. Hey, take my iPod, not my life. Push up you off. Go ahead. Go in the back. Go. Slow way in the back now. Okay. I need a bucket for bailing.
Is there water coming inside?
No.
All right.
It floats.
Can you maneuver and still shoot your airsoft gun?
No. Whoa, this is pretty shaky. Sit down,
Sit
Carter.
down.
Kneel down.
Kneel. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah. I think I want to go in there. You can come in with
Yeah, now Carter, circle around and see if you can get two guys in there. Maybe all three of you. Here, I'll hold this phone. All right, yeah, come back, Carter.
Yeah. Woo! It works! Carter, I'm coming in.
No water inside yet?
No water inside.
Wow.
You doubt me?
Not now.
Yeah, you did. Alright, who wants to join me on my voyage across the... Oh, man. I call that a good okay. Hole. Okay, pull me in. Here.
Grab it. Yeah, there you go. Yep.
Here. Whoa, watch out. That goes fast. Yeah. Baby! Whoa! I don't know about this. You going left? I go in the back.
Dude, somebody in the back.
Yeah, Kyle, you can jump in the back.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Dude, this is beast! Yeah, here, I'll go over here. Okay, Kyle, you can come in next round.
Do you believe this, girls?
I don't know.
This is awesome.
I don't know.
You are the witnesses. Oh, Kyle, why aren't you in there?
It's on the news.
I'll submit it to KUIC.
Maybe this will be on AFV.
Ha.
Take a break and just...
Oh, you got two oars. Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, that's awesome.
So this will be enough for two guys during an airsoft war in my parents' pond.
Oh, this is sweet. I'm tired.
Do we bring it there?
Yeah, let's bring it there. Go left, too.
Would you ever want to be seen on Lake Sleepy Eye with this?
Yes. Ammo. Oh, water's coming in. Ready? Turn around. Turn, go. Go in the back. Go. Go.
No!
Oh, it's not that hard. We gotta cock it better. I have no idea. I'm getting out. Bandage and shit. Alright, who wants to join me on my voyage? Kyle, we can, yes. That's not bad. Hey, maybe it's we go in the back.
Where's the leaking?
Left side.
All right, I'd take it out and fix it.
No, we're going in again. I'm getting out.